What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, because you could be anywhere in the world, but you are right here with me, man. I appreciate you guys. What did you guys think about the first ride on this 2010 Harley Davidson CVO? I was loving that thing. It sounds amazing. Love it when you open it when you open up that throttle, man. You can literally just hear it just pulsating through the whole freaking bike, man. I love that freaking ride, and the sound is just even better, man. I need to figure out how to get the sound out of that M8 like that, man. That'll be perfect. Meanwhile, speaking of M8, man, we are going to be working on our 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide special today. We're going to be switching out those forks, getting the chrome forks on there, and we may just be able to get a first ride on that thing. Meanwhile, man, we about to move this out the way, pull that one out, and get it situated, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, man, that front wheel was freaking stuck. Not even the front wheel, this spacer or whatever was stuck on the axle. Wouldn't even go nowhere. So now we know we gotta oil that joint up when we put it back in. But we got the forks off. You guys can definitely see which one is bent. It's definitely gonna be this one here. But we'll be able to get them down there and get them swapped out, put our chrome forks on them, and be good to go from there, man. So now that we got that cleaned up, we can put those in the truck. All right, so we got the truck pulled out, everything loaded up. Let's go ahead and slide up to Harley real quick, man. Alrighty, guys, y'all know what time it is. Harley Davidson, early in the morning. Early in the morning. Feel me? Got our chrome lowers. Can't wait to see how this thing is gonna look. First one's in the dough. Y'all know how I like to go. Yes, sir. We done made it back to the crib. My pops done pulled down here from the south, man. He like, all right, man, let me see the bikes. What you think, man?
Nice inventory.
You like it, man? Good looking, man. Which one your favorite one?
I like them all. I like the green one, and I like the red burgundy and black.
Yeah.
That's what I like. I like the gray one too, though.
The gray one cool.
They all nice bikes. Overall, they all nice bikes.
Okay, man. I appreciate it, man. Good looking.
Keep grinding.
Will do. Alrighty, guys. Just pulled back up to Harley. Got our chrome lowers there. Got our stuff for our Road King, our trimming and stuff, man. So let's head back to the crib and get this thing going, dog. Alrighty, guys. Just made it back to the crib. Got the bike here. Got our lowers here with our chrome sliders as well, man. So let's see if how these look compared to these. Okay, yeah, them do look a tad bit more chrome. Yeah, them gonna look nice on there. Boy, oh boy. That was a task. But we got the forks on there, man. So that's always a plus, man. Can't wait. Now I got a set of chrome wheels for this thing. However, they are still in chroming. But we're gonna throw them back on there right now. Get this thing going. Alright, y'all. So I'm trying to get this freaking axle on. However, this is the spacer that goes there. It's freaking getting stuck. So I'm not about to try to force that on there. Can't even take it off now. I'm gonna try to see if we can if we get another spacer, it'll work. or if we get another axle shaft. I don't know. But either way, it's not supposed to be that strict, man. So. Alrighty, guys. Got those things mounted up. Got them wiped down a little bit. Does look good with this stock wheel. I ain't gonna even hold you. With this black and contrast wheel, it actually looks good. I ordered a set of chrome wheels for it, so that'll spice that front end up a whole lot more. As for this axle, this little spacer is like not going through this thing like freely, man. You gotta like either hammer it or whatever, and I'm not just trying to do that. So I think I'm gonna go back up to Harley, see if they got either a spacer that'll work, a new one, or a new axle. Either way, we'll get this thing done. But for the meantime, it does look pretty good for what it is, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, dog. Does look good on them chrome that he used. Yes, sir. So I called Harley. Of course, they don't got an axle or a spacer. So I'm thinking if I go to the machine shop, maybe able to get this thing freaking smoothened out, I guess, because it is like a little tiny, like a little bit rough. Take that in the axle, go do that. Otherwise, I don't know, man. We might have to wait on a new axle and spacer. In the meantime, we do still have to wait on our wheels, so wanted to get that first ride before then, but don't know what I'm gonna do, man. So we gonna see. Next morning here, man. Yesterday we got the forks on that joint. We're still needing to figure out this spacer and axle issue because the spacer is not going on the axle shaft freely. It's like you gotta like freaking knock that thing on, and we don't want that. Meanwhile, the giveaway for our 2020 is complete, man. So if you guys enter for my 2020, man, the lists are up on my community post. All you gotta do is go to my YouTube, hit community, and you'll see the list there. Meanwhile, if you guys wanna get a head start, the 2021 and my CVO is gonna be up for giveaway on the same ballot. So you guys can win either one, first and second place winners. So if you guys put in for more than one entry, you have the shot at winning both if you're that lucky. Alrighty, guys, the time has finally come. Now our shipper couldn't take all three, so we're gonna wait for our other shipper to come next week to get this one. But these two are heading to Virginia today, man. So I'm gonna pull these joints out, get them ready to go, and we'll be out of here, man. So let's pull these things out and get it cracking. Alrighty, guys, we got these things pulled out. Things haven't seen the sun in forever. Guess we can get them started. See if we got some juice. Okay, one down. Let's see. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, man. They are ready to head to Virginia. They are leaving today, man. I got some garage space now. And I know the winners is about to be happy. They both riding good, looking nice. All the above, man. So we gonna get it together. Can't wait though. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Our shippers just pulled up. Y'all see what's going on? Yes, sir. It's time to get these things out of here, man. Y'all see it here first, man. My guys didn't pull it up.
This is gonna be fun, man. Oh my God.
Oh, man, it sounds like it's gonna be a tight squeeze, man.
Yo, I'm borderline of...
What's up, man? How you doing?
Going on
Nice
with
meeting
this
you, dog. About to see if we can squeeze these things in here, dog. That's gonna be a task. You don't seem too sure, man.
Nah, we're about to figure
Hey,
it
like,
out.
we about to figure this shit out,
Hey,
dog.
man, then fucking out. I mean, I always come through here, but obviously, now that I'm here.
Let's see what we can get done, man. Oh, you got a bunch of stuff in there? A car or something? Any CVOs?
Nah, the remote Tessie H2s. You know what those are?
I don't even know what that is. I'm like, huh? Oh, dang. Let's see.
Lengthwise left, all the way left, all the way right, CVR in the middle,
Sheesh.
and the contours As long as we have about a 2-foot gap, it'll clear it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight.
It's gonna be tight, but we can get it to work, man.
We gonna got a choice now.
We ain't got a choice. That's funny, dog. Alrighty, so we got our green bike in here. Now it is gonna be a tight squeeze. We got 2 more bikes plus the silver bike to go in. But looks like they gonna get it together for us, man. So I can't wait. Can't wait to get to the East Coast and see how they gonna like this, man. Hey, man, we done got them in here, dog. Y'all see what's going on. Got a couple more to go, but I got faith. I got faith, man.
It's been awesome.
That's sick, dog. I can't wait. See what we got here, man. We got some sick bikes up here. We got like 4, 6 bikes up here. That's crazy. I don't even see how you fit them all in here. Oh dang. Yeah, these must be oh damn. This thing is sick, man. Full carbon fiber. What the heck kind of bike is this? Supercharged.
Yeah,
What
it's got
the
a
heck?
Kawasaki H2 motor in it.
Whoa. I just see 4 little gold pipes down there, man. So I know this thing fast. Look at that.
Dude, you should have seen the one we dropped off to this guy who lives down the road.
Yeah, it was sick.
Assassin's Creed customized.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
This thing. So how much does something like this go for, bro?
70,000.
70,000? What?
For a motorcycle.
What the heck? And I thought Harleys was expensive. What the heck? 70K?
70K.
Wow.
Yeah. There's only one guy in the country that builds them.
Yeah?
Yeah, his name is Bob Spirit Motorcycles. He
That's
lives in
nuts.
Raleigh. He's the only one.
Damn.
So like, it's a really old school company. They went under, but their whole stick was they would buy engines from Cowie, Honda,
Right. And soup
then
them
they
up
would build
tight.
their own. They would build their own frames around it.
Okay, right.
And then I think early '90s they tried to build their own motor, and it was a complete and utter failure.
Oh, damn.
And it crippled the company. So Kawasaki recently bought
them out.
Yeah, bought them out. I think they own like 51%.
Right.
So that's why they put the H2 motor in it,
Ah.
and then they built the frame around it.
That's nuts. That thing look crazy,
Yeah,
man.
they're beautiful.
70K for a street bike. Golly. I'm telling you.
Basically just an Italian H2. That's all that it is. But
Yeah, that's nuts.
Fiber,
Yeah, that carbon fiber is next level, man. Just like that, guys, we got everything loaded up, ready to go. Woo, that was a tight squeeze, but we got it going. I know my Virginian supporters are gonna be happy about this one, man. I can't wait to head to the East Coast because it is burning up over here, dog. But my guy's about to get loaded up. You see it getting going, man. About to finish getting loaded up. But it's time, man. I can't wait. Y'all see the big truck right here, man. Now we got a little bit more space to work with. Now, this bike is heading to Connecticut next week. We're waiting on our shipper, Jason, to come pick that one up. Meanwhile, we will be giving this one away on Friday, tomorrow, to see where this is going. So more than likely, these two will be heading out together. Then our black and red giveaway, we're giving away our 2021 Road Glide Special and our 2010 Harley Davidson CVO. Now, I am going to go get another fender and have somebody freaking match this. Got to do the same thing with this as well. So if you guys haven't entered already, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a red Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, my dogs is out here. Got that long joint. About to swerve to the East Coast, man. Y'all know what that means. This means it's time to roll out, dog. I appreciate y'all helping me out, man. Good looking out, bro. Time to go. I'm gonna see them bikes on the East Coast, dog. I can't wait, man. Yes, sir. Alrighty, man. I'm hella excited, dog. Y'all don't even know, man. Meanwhile, Jason will be here next week to pick up our red bike that's going to Connecticut. Tomorrow we're seeing where this bike is going. And then we still have a couple things to do on those two bikes to be ready for this 2021 giveaway, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. But I gotta go find an axle and a freaking spacer for this 21, man. So we can get that first right in. Meanwhile, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.